Budget 2026 has not really brought about any big bang reforms from a personal individual taxpayer perspective. But this was expected because last couple of years, there were a lot of changes already done to the new tax regime. While there is no change to the income tax rates or any slabs, there are a couple of measures which are more procedural but which do bring relief to particular segment of small taxpayers. As an example, there are certain extension of deadlines for filing revised returns, which will bring relief to taxpayers. Then the TCS rates have dropped significantly to around 2% for certain overseas payments towards education and medical. This will have a positive impact on cash flows as well. Non-resident Indians who were selling properties in India had a common angst. They had to obtain a tax deduction account number, even if it was one property sale. Now the budget provides for non-residents to be able to sell property in India through the PAN-based challan of the resident buyer. A one-time amnesty scheme has also been brought about by the government because they recognize that certain types of small individual taxpayers omit, due to genuine reasons, disclosures of overseas income or overseas assets in their income tax return. There is a one-time amnesty linked with certain penalty provisions which the government has brought about. Overall, the thrust of this budget from an individual taxpayer perspective is the focus on continued compliance, ease of compliance, and an overall objective of the government of having stability in their journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you.